Wireless Bluetooth Lavalier Mic by Rythflo. I'm going to have an example of all the audio once we have a look at it. Let's open it up. Okay, these are the adapters for USB-C, adapter for iPhone, and we also have, okay, so here are the mics right here. You get two of them, and these are magnetic, so, wow, but let's look at what other accessories come with this. Okay, we have a carrying case. Okay, looks like we got some wind muffs, so we can protect our mics from the wind noise that we may have if we're outdoors. This is what they look like. We also have a cable for it. Okay, this is a USB-C cable to a 1/3 inch stereo. Alright, so if you wanted to connect the receiver to a camera, you just connect it here. Okay, and then you connect this to your camera, your DSLR, and you'll be able to get some audio like that. Let's see how this goes over the mic in order to protect it from wind noise. So it looks like we're going to be able to connect it like this. So it fits right over the mic like that, and you still have access to your button on the side in order to turn it off and on. And then you also have USB-C charging right here. Alright, so let's connect some of these and we'll have some audio examples for you right now. Okay, let's connect the receiver to the iPhone. I'll show you what that looks like when you connect it. Okay, it's going to light up like this. Okay, now when it's blinking like that, it's waiting for you to pair your wireless microphone. And then to pair it, all you're going to do is, here is one of the mics. I'm just going to turn it on right here. And hold on that button. You wait for it. And now it's paired. You can see it that it's TX1, just represented by the light that's lit up blue. The other one's not on, so, but if you were to turn the other mic on, that would be solid blue. So TX1, and now you're pairing, you're ready to start recording using your wireless microphone. That's how you do it. This is the sound of the Android phone, the mics. Audio check 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to step back. This is a test, and we're going to use the Rythflo Wireless Lavalier Mic for the next example, but this is without it. So audio check 1, 2, 3, and I'm stepping back, stepping back. Audio check 1, 2, 3, I'm stepping back. I'm about 5 feet away. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Now I'm stepping forward, stepping forward. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have now connected the Rythflo Lavalier mic, and this is the sound of it right now, and it's lit up blue. As you can see, it's lit up blue, and on the receiver part that is connected via the USB-C, it says TX1, so whichever one you connect first, it'll be TX1, even though they're not marked. So let's audio check 1, 2, 3, audio check, and I'm stepping back, audio check, stepping back, stepping back, audio check 1, 2, 3, TX1, this is Rythflo. Audio check 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to step back. Audio check 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio check 1, 2. This is the sound of the Rythflo microphone lavalier. This is the sound of the iPhone without the lavalier mic that we're about to test. Audio check 1, 2, 3. This is the mics from the iPhone. We're going to step back. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Stepping back. This is without the lavalier mic. Audio check now, stepping forward. Audio check 1, 2, 3. All right, so now we're gonna connect the Rythflo lavalier mic, and let's listen to how that sounds. Okay, we have now paired the lavalier mic, Rythflo. This is what it looks like with the blue lit up. That means it's ready to go. And the receiver is lit up too, and it's represented as TX1. So when you're audio recording, make sure that both of those are on. Now we're going to audio check, and I'm going to step back. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Rythflo Wireless Lavalier Mic. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to step forward. Audio check 1, 2, 3. And By the way, you don't need any special drivers or anything like that. It's plug and play. So you plug it in, iPhone to Texas, and you're ready to go. Audio check 1, 2, 3.